Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to change the battery on this 2010 Dodge Caliber. If this video is helpful, can you smash that thumbs up button and leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm? Really helps out a lot. First, pop your hood. I'm going to open the hood by pulling over on this lever and then lifting the hood. Prop rod right here goes in this hole right here. Now our battery is located below this plastic piece here. There's a couple of little tabs here that you twist. There would also be one here. Then you are going to be able to just pull it out and your battery is right there. We need to loosen up this 13mm bolt right here. You'll need a 13mm socket with a long extension. You're going to loosen that bolt until the point that you can lift this little plastic piece up and slide it back. Now we are going to loosen these 10mm nuts right here on the terminals. Now we are going to wiggle and lift the terminals off from the studs here. And then we can just lift our battery right up and out. I will have this battery linked down in the description below. Make sure this clip right here is pushed back. We're just going to lift our new battery in here. Just kind of push the cables off to the side a little bit, set it back down in here. Now push this over the top of this lip of the battery down here, and we can tighten this bolt back up. Make sure your battery is slid all the way forward when you tighten this up, making sure that there's no wiggle in the battery at all. You can give it a little test wiggle if you want, just to make sure it's secure. Now we are going to put our battery terminals back on here, and you can tighten these 10mm nuts back up. All right, now you are pretty much done. You just replace this cover here, push these down and twist them. I'm missing that one. And you're finished. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, smash that thumbs up button, leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm. Thank you for watching and have a good one.